Hello, this is John Symes Extra Credit Math Problem. So, the problem is, sorry, I'm in my sister's room right now and she's videotaping since I can't touch her stuff. But the problem is, plane A flies 400 miles per hour at north 20 east. North 20 east. And then plane B flies 500 miles per hour at south 30 east. How far apart are the planes after 3 hours? And you gotta find their direction. So, because they have traveled for 3 hours, you have to multiply their miles per hour times 3, because it's miles per hour. So, plane A is traveling at 400 miles per hour 400 miles per hour times 3 is 1,200 miles plane A has traveled, and plane B is 500 miles times 3, which is 1,500 miles. So plane B has traveled 1,500 miles. So the first thing you must find to be able to find the distance between the two planes is you have to find this interior angle, which we know this angle on the outside is 20 degrees, and this one on the bottom is 30 degrees. So it's not quite perfect, but if this was, this makes a 90-degree angle. So this would be 70 degrees because 90 minus 20 is 70. And this is 60 degrees because 90 minus 30 is 60. So that means this entire angle is 130 degrees. So knowing that interior angle is 130 degrees, you could use law of cosines to find this, to find the distance between the two planes. So this is law of cosines, which is the square root of 1,200 squared plus 1,500 squared minus 2 times 1,500 times 1,200 cosine 120. And then when you put that in your calculator, you get that the distance between the two planes is 2,343.08 miles. So then you have to find the distance between the two planes. So to find the distance between the two planes, because you're going from plane A to plane B, you have to imagine that we're plane A now, you've now moved the origin basically to here, and then you have to go from here down to here. So that means you automatically know the plane will be going south since you're going down. But you have to figure out how many degrees and where it's traveling. So, I just kind of drew a line across, and this is 90 degrees, and that is 70 degrees because 20, 90, 70. So that means that if this angle was straight down, I'm not quite sure if you can do this, I'll be honest, but I thought that if this angle, so I was kind of confused by this, if this was coming straight down right here to make this, so that you just translated this line over, you should have a 20-degree angle at the top to make this a 90-degree angle. But because it's a 33.67 degree angle, if you just subtract that 33.67 from the 20, you end up with 13.67 degrees. This is just this bottom angle. I just found it because I can. So that means the plane would be going south and would be going over 13.67 degrees east. So, if the origin is right there, you'd be going south 13.67 degrees east. And you have to move the origin because if you tried to find, you just won't be able to find it, even if you moved it up here because the angle would be wrong. But that's all.